What's up, everyone? Currently in Florence in Italia, and as you can see here, I'm standing next to an automated cashier stand here. You just touch and enter in what items you want. It eliminates the need and use of a cashier. You swipe your card right there, and just like that, we are getting rid of a huge portion of the labor costs associated with cashiers, and the food is just brought. It's still made by humans for now, but just like that, we are slowly, it said, the McDonald's said by 2020, they would eliminate all cashiers with these automated checkouts. And boom, just like that, here we see one in Florence already up and running. So just a heads up, for those that are cashiers right now, it is time to retrain. That means go and take new classes, get new work of jobs that are more secure. For jobs that have a longer longevity, it's very important to retrain now and to not wait any longer if you are a cashier. And that means be aware of the age of automation, because here we are, right here, again, automated checkouts at McDonald's already up and running. They're visible around other places in the world as well. This one's in Florence in Italia. So heads up, get new work, automation age is coming. Much love, everyone.